In the modern world, the development of technology and machinery has completely transformed the way humans interact with nature, especially in industries like forestry. Heavy machinery, from tractors and excavators to specialized vehicles, has become an essential tool, enabling humans to extract resources from forests more quickly and efficiently. However, alongside these significant benefits come considerable challenges, particularly the issue of machinery getting bogged down in forests. This is not only a common occurrence, but also a problem that needs to be acknowledged and addressed seriously. 1. Current situation and causes. The situation of heavy machinery getting bogged down in forests is not uncommon. In forest environments, particularly in areas with complex terrain, muddy roads, and frequent rain, moving heavy machinery becomes extremely difficult. Forest soil often has a soft structure that easily deforms under heavy weight, leading to vehicles sinking deeply and being unable to get out. Muddy areas, swamps, and regions with high moisture levels are also places where the risk of getting bogged down is ever present. Another cause of this situation is the lack of preparation and inadequate assessment before bringing machinery into the forest. Many organizations do not fully assess the complexity of the terrain, leading to the selection of machinery that is not suitable for actual conditions. Sometimes, due to the pressure of work deadlines, necessary preparations may be overlooked, which increases the risk of encountering unforeseen accidents. 2. Consequences of bogging accidents. Machines getting bogged down not only cause temporary disruptions, but also lead to serious consequences in terms of economics, the environment, and workplace safety. Economically, a machine getting bogged down can halt the entire production process. Logging and transportation operations are suspended, resulting in significant losses of time and money. The cost of rescuing bogged down machinery can be very expensive, especially when specialized recovery equipment is required. Additionally, in some cases, the machinery may be severely damaged, leading to high repair or replacement costs. Environmentally, the efforts to rescue bogged down machinery can have negative impacts. Pulling a machine out of a bogged area often requires the use of other heavy vehicles, which can disrupt the soil structure, cause erosion, landslides, and destroy vegetation. Moreover, waste materials such as oil, lubricants, and other chemicals may leak into the environment during the rescue process, polluting the soil and water sources and negatively affecting the forest ecosystem. Regarding workplace safety, rescuing bogged down machinery poses several risks. Workers may face dangerous situations, from getting stuck in the mud to the risk of injury due to accidents during the rescue operation. Without appropriate protective measures and safety procedures, these accidents can lead to severe consequences, including potential harm to individuals. Solutions to minimize bogging. Incidents. To minimize and address the issue of machinery getting bogged down in forests, it is essential to implement comprehensive measures, from preparation and operation to maintenance. Firstly, a thorough assessment of the terrain, climate and environment is necessary before deploying machinery. Detailed planning, including contingency measures for adverse situations, is essential. Modern technologies such as GPS systems, digital terrain maps, and geographic sensors can help forecast and detect areas with a high risk of bogging, allowing for timely preventive measures. Thirdly, training and enhancing the skills of machinery operators is crucial. Personnel need to be equipped with knowledge on operating machinery in complex terrain conditions, as well as skills for handling emergencies. Additionally, clear and comprehensive safety procedures are necessary to ensure that all rescue operations are carried out according to established protocols and with strict supervision. Finally, regular maintenance and inspection of machinery before deployment are indispensable measures. Well-maintained equipment will operate more reliably and minimize the risk of bogging down. Forestry companies need to develop comprehensive maintenance programs, including checks of critical components such as tires, drive systems, and braking systems. The issue of machinery accidents and bogging in forests is complex, requiring a combination of measures from preparation, technology, and training to maintenance. Although this is a significant challenge for the forestry industry, with proper investment and effective management, these risks can be minimized. Only then can the forestry sector develop sustainably, harnessing the benefits of technology while protecting the natural environment and ensuring the safety of workers.